Okay, guys, tomorrow in class we're going to be working on lesson number 11. Lesson number 11 is going to be subtracting fractions, making like units numerically. So the first one that we're going to do is 1/3 minus 1/5. We know that the common denominator for 3 and 5 is going to be 15 and 15. 5 times 1 gives me 5. 3 times 1 gives me 3. Subtract them. 5 take away 3 is 2. And we have 15 as our denominator, so we get 2/15. Okay, next one we're going to do is going to be 3/5 minus 1/6. 3/5 minus 1/6. I know the common denominator for 6 and 5 is 30. 6 times 3 gives me 18. 5 times 1 gives me 5. If I have 18 and I take 5 away, that gives me 13 and 30. Okay, the next one is 1 3/4 minus 3/5. Okay, this one's a mixed number, so the first thing that we're going to have to do is change it to an improper. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So I have 7/4 minus 3/5. Now I know that 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 7 is 35. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract, and I'm going to get 23 over 20. 20 goes into 23 one time, and we're left with 3 out of 20. One more. 3 3/5. Subtract from that 3 3/5, 2 1/2. Okay, first step, since we got two mixed numbers, change them into impropers. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 16, 17, 18 over 5. Minus 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5 over 2. Okay, I'm going to show you something that's going to make this one easier. You can simplify on the crosses. Does anything go into 5 and 5? Yes, 5. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 5 once. Does anybody think go into 2 and 18? Yeah, 2 goes into both 2 and 18. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 18 9 times. And sorry guys, I made a mistake on that one. 18 over 5 minus 5 over 2. I didn't want to show you that simplifying yet, so ignore that. First thing we got to do is make common denominators before you can simplify anything. So we've got our 18 over 5 minus 5 over 2. 5 and 2 is going to give me 10 and 10. 2 times 18 is 36. 5 times 5 is 25. We're subtracting. It's going to be a 1 and another 1 with a 10. 10 goes into 11 once and 1/10 left over. Okay. Have a good night.